Hey, Shalawam to the Akim out there. This is gonna be a quick video, quick tutorial for you brothers out there that want to upload thumbnails to your YouTube videos instead of having to go online and do it. You can just download an app in your app store called YouTube Studio. And what it allows you to do is to go inside your YouTube account and to pretty much edit your videos. So you can click on a video that you uploaded, and you can click on this pin at the top right corner, and it will allow you to upload a thumbnail for your videos. Alright, so if you want to further personalize your videos when you upload them, instead of going online and on the computer and all that extra stuff to have to upload a thumbnail, just download this app called YouTube Studio. It'll already be linked to your account, so you can go in and edit your videos how you want them. Alright, so I hope that was edifying to some brothers out there that may want to upload thumbnails to their videos without going through all that hassle of doing it online on the computer or whatever. Alright, so hope that was edifying. Till next time, I'm going to say Shalawam.